Namaste everyone, welcome to Amako Kitchen. Today Amma is going to show us how to make puff. If you have lived in Nepal, you will definitely remember this light and crispy pastry which goes perfectly with a hot cup of sweet tea. This recipe is so quick and easy, it requires zero effort, and I can guarantee it is 100% foolproof. Honestly, it can't get any easier than this. So basically all you really need is to get a pack of ready rolled light puff pastry. You can also get one that isn't light. Amma has purchased hers from Asda, but I'm sure you can grab this from any local supermarket. When you take out the puff pastry from the box, it will be rolled up. You will need to flatten it out. Once the puff pastry is laying flat, cut along small strips as demonstrated by Amma. Then place the strips of puff pastry on your baking tray. Next, put the puff pastry in a preheated oven at 200 degrees on gasmark 6 for 8 to 10 minutes until it is a golden brown colour. The puff pastry box says 12 to 15 minutes, but as we cut them into smaller pieces, we do not need to heat them for that long. And just like that, they are ready. That's it, guys. The puff is incomplete without a cup of hot tea, so Amma is making some delicious sweet ginger tea in true Nepali style. She has added some water, followed by some loose tea, then some ginger, some jaggery for sweetness, and then some full-fat milk. Then just leave the tea to boil. And that's it, guys. I told you this recipe was going to be easy. I don't know about you, but this video gave me major nostalgia. Puff and ginger tea reminds me of the simple life back in Nepal, where the chickens would cluck as my early morning alarm. I'd get up and sip on some hot tea and munch on some fresh and crispy puff. While sitting in the balcony, I'd watch my neighbours start their day. I'd feel the touch of the fresh morning breeze, and right in front of me, depending on if it was a clear day or not, the view of the Himalayas would greet me. Hopefully this video takes you down on a very happy memory lane. Judging by the sound of Amma and Baba munching away, I think they enjoyed this puff and tea combo very much. Thank you everyone for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit that like button. For any feedback or suggestions, write in the comments section down below. If you have any family members or friends who is a foodie, please share this video. And if you would like to see more content, please subscribe. And we will see you next week. Bye!